To make a Canva Creator account, you want to come over to Canva Creators website. You can go there by searching canva.com/creators. And you want to scroll down here to read up everything about becoming a creator. Read the frequently asked questions. This can answer many of the questions that will come up in your mind that you want to clarify. Once you are happy with all this and you still want to proceed to become a Canva creator, you click on Become a Creator. This will pop out. It says, "Hi, to get you started in the right place. Which of these sounds like you?" So there are three types of creators here. This is closed for now. They're not accepting people into the teacher creator program, and they're not also accepting subject matter experts into the business professional creator program. So the designer program is currently open. You're going to select that, and you see that this continue button opens. You're going to click on continue, and it says, "We love empowering creatives. What do you love creating?" So from here, this is where you want to shine, and you can click on continue. What is your level? So you want to describe your level of creativity, click on continue. What are your creative interests? You want to tell them your creative interests. You want to click on continue. What are your motivations for becoming a creator? You want to select your motivation. All these are important. I'm going to click on continue. It says here you're almost there. Share your work. You want to type out your name here. Here you can now share a URL to your work. It says, "Please make sure your sharing settings allow our team to view your submission." I'm going to go to my Canva account, and this is a portfolio I created here in Canva. If you want to see how this is made, there will be a link in the description, and you want to click on share here. I'm just going to copy a public view link, which is live already, and I'm going to scroll down and copy this link, and I'll also come back into my application and paste my portfolio link. How do you learn about the Canva Creators program? You want to select the options that work for you. You want to see your language proficiency. You want to check this box. I'll bring in my text in here. Now that I have my text in here, you want to hit on submit. Now you see we've submitted an application. So you just wait to hear back from them.